Wagwan viewers and sub, dancehall agenda back at it. So me I say, yeah man, so dancehall nice again people. Jamil versus Chronic Law. Yo, the war is on. The artists them not play with the road. And people, Jamil have a new song for drop. 357. You see me I say, Jamil done drop a song already. And Chronic Law respond immediately. You see me I say people, but guess what more I want to do right now. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking and sharing. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I would want to upload. You see me I say? So people, if you don't never know by now, no. Jamil versus Chronic Law. The war confirmed. You see me I say? And Jamil have a new song for drop. Jamil done drop a song pan the Jigo Rhythm. And me make you hear it right now. We go to boom and run out pan Chronic Law. Wicked. You see me I say people? Check it out.
Now make your little one strong fool your car, we got belly. Enough boy dead with gun pon the belly.
People, Jamila say yo, me make an example out of them. You see me I say? Jamila say yo, you make your one shot fool yo. The boy dead with his strap on him belly. Furthermore, he might got chip over upon him face because I'm big belly. Yo, Jamila easy people. But guess what? Almost immediately, Chronic Law respond. Hear what Chronic Law to say.
Don't know my dark, you know, Papa fast, you know, self man not kill up, they done 40 work.
People, a lot of boss, you know, self him not kill up. Yo, Chronic Law with the wicked flow. But people, when you hear what Chronic Law say from a war, anything we want. You see me I say? Chronic Law now play with the road. The two artists them ready for go at it people. So those would have been the two songs that had been released from either artist. You see me I say people? And so far, the song them bad. It be the first round. You see me I say? Jamil fire him shot and Chronic Law say, wait, what the boy a do? But Jamil say him nah ease up. So Jamil have a new song for drop. 357. People, you don't feel like say Jamil I go direct in that song, yeah? I don't feel like say I'm going to kick off Chronic Law face wicked from the second round. I'm just going to go easy. And just fire one another couple shot. You see me I say? What do you think? You see me I say? Because Jamil, him not an easy brother. I him say, yo, the strongest soldier them get the hardest fight. You see me I say? But either way, we swear, Jamil proved himself already. Because in the same song, him say, the boy will run up, him still he said the first boy will run up, still a nurse gunshot wound. So people no feel like say Jamila go kick off Chronic Law face. Jamila make them know say yo, me make a first example and me ready to make another one. Because it's like them not here or them not see what go on. People, me feel like say yo, Jamil ready. Me feel like say Jamil, him now go hard, but the song where him go job, it a go simple, but it a go direct. But more wanna let me know what you think. You see me I say, what kind of song you think? How hard Jamil you think Jamila go on a song? Yeah? You see me I say, just drop a comment in the comment section. You see me I say, so we can have a discussion. But the why? Alright, you see me I say people. And if you're new to this channel, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I do an upload. You see me I say, I'm out.